Among the various text options in Build-A-Button is the ability to add a monogram to a button design. Let's take a look at this feature, which is found in the Text section. In addition to being able to add text or adding curved text, I can add a monogram. I'll click the Add Monogram button, and then I can specify the text for that monogram, typically just a few letters, for example. And then down below the Add Monogram button, you'll find a shape option. You can choose from heart, circle, or scallop. I think the heart option works well here, so I'll go ahead and select that and then increase the size of my monogram in this case. Of course, I could also make a very small and subtle monogram if I'd prefer, and then of course I could adjust the other properties such as the color for that monogram text. Maybe I'll try white, for example, to see how that looks. Maybe that's a little too bold, so I'll switch that to a shade of gray. But the point is that we can adjust the various properties for the monograms that we can add to our button designs.